Hey everyone, in this video we're going to learn about comments in Python. So what are comments in Python? Comments in Python are line of text ignored by the interpreter. They are used to explain code and make it easier to understand. There are four types of comments that we're going to talk about in this video. And one is single line comments, multi-line comments, inline comments, and docstrings as comments. So let's talk about single line comments. Single line comments explain a line or block of code. And this is an example. So here we are saying that this line of code connect to a Cisco device via SSH. And there's another comment here, SSH connection established. So we should notice the sequence of the inline comments. So here, this is the comment because this line of code is to just connect to the device via SSH. And here we're saying that the SSH connection has been established. Okay, let's talk about multi-line comments. So multi-line comments explain longer or complex code blocks. So this is an example of a multi-line comments. So we're saying that fetch configs from multiple devices using Netmiko, save the config for each device. So we're using open triple double quotations and closed triple double quotations. Okay, now let's talk about inline comments. So inline comments explain specific actions in a line. And this is an example here. So we're saying that this line of code saved the retrieved file to a comment. And last but not least is docstrings as comments. So docstrings as comments document functions, classes, or modules. And this is an example here. So we're using the triple double quotations and close triple double quotations. So we're saying that connect to a device, retrieve configs, and save them. So we've covered single line comments, multi-line comments, inline comments, and docstrings as comments. Okay, so that's all I wanted to cover in this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.